Oils on the skin can be very helpful for psoriasis. Psoriasis is skin that has gotten too many layers that have not been shed, and so it gets thick and red, and often it's very itchy. Oils help to loosen some of that extra skin and help it shed, and just soften it up so the skin feels more comfortable. Almost any oil I can think of would be helpful like that. Many people love sesame oil because it feels so soothing and very light. When people have mild psoriasis, they often look to the local pharmacy to find solutions, and there are several things it's worth trying when you go there. There are products that have tar in them, and tar topically applied to psoriasis is actually a fantastic over-the-counter anti-inflammatory. Sometimes people will alternate the tar with 1% hydrocortisone, which can be found in both a cream and an ointment. Ointments sometimes are a little bit more effective. For psoriasis, there's a lot of evidence that aloe on the skin is very soothing, and you can certainly take it straight from the plant. A lot of people use it that way for burns as well. Oral aloe has not been shown to be particularly helpful at all for the skin, so I would put my money in anything that is topical and has aloe vera in it. I think you'll find it helpful. When people are at the drugstore looking at creams to try to help their psoriasis, they often pick up tar and hydrocortisone. But in addition to that, if you look at a lotion or a cream and it has oats in it, oats has been found to be a very natural skin soother. People have also found that creams which have capsaicin in them can also soothe the itch and some of the stinging from psoriasis plaques. Kitchen remedies for psoriasis are available. In the old days, many people turned to apple cider vinegar, and they found it was particularly helpful for itchy scalps. People would apply it directly or somewhat diluted to their scalps. So one of the most important ways to help a dry, scaly psoriasis plaque is to actually apply almost any cream and cover it with simple plastic wrap. We call that occlusion, and occluding skin, which is dry and thickened, is very effective, and people will often do it at bedtime and sleep with that wrap around their feet or their knees or their elbows, and their skin is much better in the morning. So at home, one of the secrets to success with psoriasis is actually limited sunlight. I often tell people with particularly irritating psoriasis to get about 10 or 15 minutes of sunlight just on those psoriasis plaques. Obviously, as a dermatologist, I'm concerned about sun exposure and skin cancer, but UV is one of the most potent reducers of the inflammation that's part of psoriasis and really will help if that's the only thing you've got available.